excited to show you guys my dorm. It's totally a huge reflection of me and my personality. I actually had someone ask for this video, so I'm super excited to show you it. They really wanted to see all the like motivational things in my room, so I'm really excited. I lived in another dorm at the beginning of the year, but then I moved to this one and I don't have a roommate, so that's really exciting. So let's do this. This is my door from the inside. Wow, so fancy. Everyone cares about that. My coat rack is from Home Goods. It's very, very sturdy. And here's my little entryway thing. There I am. Hello. My mirror is from Walmart. I got it for like $2 probably. And this little thing up here my brother made me. I have my little peace sign. Sorry, you're gonna get to see my legs. I have my little peace sign from hippieshop.com. I have this little bowl that actually used to be a plant holder. But I just have my change in it. And then this little R Cree made me from Pottery. Then this actually, oh my god, may I just tell you, this cleared up my face so hard. The hardest of any other thing that I've ever tried in my life. I got it from Rite Aid. Down here I have my little bowl of scrunchies. I got this bowl from the thrift store and it's actually so pretty and it just holds scrunchies, but you know what? It does the job. This table is actually from my grandparents. They had it at their house and they moved, so I got it. And then this is my little umbrella. Actually, I want to show it to you. It's called the Better Umbrella. Not sponsored, but it does, like, it has this button and then it opens this way. But look, oh, I can't even show you. Look at the inside. Isn't it so cute? It says best day ever. Oh, I love it so much. And it has a flashlight for the ground. Right here I have just little notes from my friends. And then this actually I don't really do anymore because I'm a bad girl. But I used to like make little things that I'm thankful for every time I left my room. Here they are. They are all over here. This was my 2018, and as you can see, 2019 is very small because I stopped doing it after spring break, and now it's just a little sad wall. This is the desk that I don't use, and I just put my towels here to dry after I use them. I keep my little bathroom thing and bathroom stuff there, just I go grab it because I have nowhere else to put it. And then dirty dishes, recycling, also dirty dish. But look at how cute this is. My little brother made this flower out of clay for me. Isn't it so cute? Then this fan, I always sleep with the fan on if it's hot because it just makes me feel so much better, but it broke. Like, how rude. Right here I have this little board that says things I could do when I'm bored. I have a video on how I made this and that one in my productivity video. I have this little nightstandy thing, and on top I have my water that I'm drinking right now. Oh, wasn't even looking at it. My water. I have a needle because I had to sew something one time and Lindsay gave me this needle and then she didn't want it back, so I was just chilling there, nothing to do. I have my little board that Cree's mom gave me, and I love that quote because it's just really empowering. And then you have my little plants. And I painted this little box. In my drawers, in these drawers I have food, then dishes, and then miscellaneous. Underneath here I have my camera stuff. It's like this bag of camera equipment, and then all these pillows and blankies and all that stuff. These bins under here, they actually were a shelf from Target, and my mom's friend made them into these rolly bins, so they're just super nice and handy. I have my towels in here, all my like bathroom and beauty and all that stuff, and then like laundry and cleaning stuff back there. In this side I have my shoes and other shoes back there. They're like spring shoes, so I'll have to switch those soon, which I'm really happy about. I keep my backpack there. It usually is just on the floor somewhere. And then my skateboard, I can't really see it. It actually matches my backpack. It's pretty alright. It's just a little blue man. I have these little Christmas hangy lights. I think they were from Rite Aid actually. And then I have this dream catcher that I made. I know you can't see it, but I made it because I love dream catchers. This is from Home Goods. It's my laundry basket, garbage can, and then my refrigerator. And then in here I just have the goods, you know, all the goods. I have this mattress topper that's really thick. It's made of bamboo charcoal and it's so nice. It's the most comfortable I've ever had in my whole life. My comforter and sheets are from Target. My sheets are just these little, and then this pillowcase is from Urban Outfitters, I think. My little brother, I have two brothers. The other one that didn't make the flower clay thing made these. Joe. Here are all my little quotes. So, let's go through them. So I have only allow positive vibrations, abundance and love, go with your gut, because I'm really bad at making decisions. Like, really bad at making decisions, so I need to start going with my gut more and believing myself in the fact that I can do it and make good decisions and all that stuff. This big one that tells me all the things to do. Up there is it's okay to start over. That was my very first little quote that I ever made because I have a very hard time picking myself up when I'm down, and actually this made a difference. Then does it make you happy? Because material things don't matter, all that stuff. Be bold, because I really do need to be more bold and stand up for myself and talk when I want to and stuff like that, because I have trouble with that too. You can actually do it, because I think people can do anything they set their minds to. To you, it doesn't seem like a lot, but what you do is enough. Sometimes I think that what I do is like not significant enough or doesn't matter, but like all the little things you do in a day matter and make a difference in so many things. So I really like that one. That was one of the first ones too. This bad boy, ain't that the truth? Because we take our bodies for granted so much and we mistreat our bodies so much, but our body is our whole life. We wouldn't be anything without our bodies. So they ground us. So we need to take care of them, feed them good, do them good things, you know. Look at something or someone. Do not connect it with thoughts or emotions. Just look at it and let it amaze you. So that one kind of means like, if you look at someone, don't judge them. Don't think things about them because it's most likely untrue. Just look at someone or something and just let it be. Just let it be. Don't make judgments or anything like that about it. And live while you're still alive, because it's really easy to get caught up in the boring, mundane, everyday life. You are alive, so it's already an amazing day. Just waking up in the morning is an absolute blessing, so just take advantage of being here every day. And needing nothing attracts everything. That is so true, because if you are someone who consistently doesn't have enough in your life, you will never be content or thankful for the things that you have. So if we just appreciate and don't want or need anything more than we have, then everything will be good. Last but not least, a very, very good one. Everything you need is already within you. Every single thing that you could ever do or want or make happen, it's all within yourself. It's all, everything you do is because of yourself. So you have the power to do anything. Let me see who texted me. I told my friend that I would meet him to get food, and he's already there, and I'm yikes. Okay, anyway, we'll continue. Up there I have my little dream catcher that Cree got me for Christmas, and then up here I have my little morning saying. So my mom actually realized that this is spelt wrong, which I did not notice until she said something. It says good morn, which it's supposed to say good morning, wonderful, you know, but then it says be the person that makes an impact and you can do anything, so today you will. And then I have these little mandalas that Cree and my brother made me. And then that sign that my mom wrote from my family. I have pictures of just like cool things and all the things. Then over here is my desk. It's quite cute actually. I have some books that I want to read, although I have a really hard time reading. I have this like sun lamp that Belle let me borrow so I don't die. Then I have my straws and my silverware, my medicine for my acid reflux, my little giraffe, his name is Peach. My salt rock lamp, this is my planner, and this book that I'm currently reading, but it's taking me a really freaking long time. My pens from my little Folane bag. These are the last of my vitamins, so gotta restock soon. Then I have this little thing that my friend made me for Christmas. It has all these like little cute things that you could look at if you're having a sad day. My candles, they're fake. We don't want no fires. Here I have this little thing I painted, my deodorants, pens, all that stuff, books, and little notes from people. I just went for food because the place was gonna close. The sun kind of went down, so it's a little darker, but turned my light on, so I think we're good. In my top desk drawer over here, I have just like supplies and stuff like that. Then in this one, I have just like papers and electronic stuff. In here, I have notebooks and papers. This little corner here that has like all these really cute little paintings and stuff like that. My friend Marie made me this. Belle made me this. Cree made me this. I made this. And that, and that. And it's like a little booby sunset. I love it. And that I made. This is just like a scarf thing from American Eagle. Then I just have like all my jewelry. These two are me and Cree made them at Pottery. And then this little tree is from maybe Urban Outfitters. I don't remember. Back here I just have my yoga mat and my vacuum. Up here I have underwear, bras, tights, and bathing suit and stuff. In here I have socks, and in here I have t-shirts and leggings and sweatpants. Then lastly I have my closets. So up here I just have my dance family, and then I made this just little poster thing. On this side I have this little thing that I colored in, and over here I made this. And then those are just my little things for my calendar. You'll see in a second. So up top, I have sweatshirts, jeans, and then shorts, and that's a shirt. This is my friend Patrick's shirt that passed away. And then sweaters, jackets, shirts, all the shirts. And then more shirts, skirts, and pants, shawls, other shorts, nail polishes. This other closet has my weekly schedule on it, well, my daily schedule, and I just put little things down at the specific times. I have like accessories like hats, gloves, all that stuff, my camera bag, board games, robe. I don't know what's in this box. Oh, like plant pots and stuff. Laptop, gym bag, art supplies, printer, towels, and then clothes. And I have it like that. Lastly, I have this rug. It is from Weiss Markets, where I used to work. So I really hope you enjoyed seeing my dorm. Thanks for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.
No one even cares.
Tell my friends that I don't need you. Last time we spoke was spring break and I see through conversation we had in the ocean with the waves brought me down, down, down. Whoa.